now people see that like he put some high quality stuff on this thing. He really went and put the investment into the BRZ. What is up, guys? It is Jordan or 3 Cities, and I'm back again with another video. So in my DMs, you guys keep on begging me and keep on asking me like, Jordan, what do you think of TJ Hunt's BRZ? What do you think about TJ Hunt's new look, blah blah blah, so forth? You know, my 2 cents don't really matter. I think you guys already know that. You know what I mean? A lot of people are asking, so I just might as well put it into a video. I think I got some different insight just because I do have a BRZ for one, and I have the V3.5 kit. As well, guys, if you don't know TJ Hunt, I don't know what the hell you guys are doing. The guy's a big name. 2, if you haven't seen his new BRZ look, go to his Instagram, check it out, or I have it on the screen right here. You know what? I really dig it. I know we have not seen the BRZ in a couple of months. You know, he's building up the 350Z. You know what I mean? He's flying New Zealand, going in for the RX-7. Like, the dude's been crazy. And honestly, I even forgot about the BRZ even exists. And I know where it's been at. You know what I mean? I got people all down in California sending me pictures, sending me sneak peeks of the build. And I don't know if that's a big thing or not, but it's whatever. The craziest thing, you know, LTMW built it. I'm gonna start from the whole entire set of the build. Honestly, if I like it or dislike it, I honestly really like the build. He did, you know what I mean, like the choices that he made for the build, like for right now, it's top notch, top tier. I absolutely love it. You know, I mean, he's going all out on all these builds. I don't think I see the cheap side of TJ anymore, you know, because he did the replica kit to save money. You know, TJ not being cheap anymore, doing everything right, painting his BRZ, not wrapping anymore. That's like, you know, paint's like a marriage. I will not be surprised if they go down, or if he goes over to premium auto styling and does a pretty cool livery look onto it. I don't know, he might go full baller status on this. Also, guys, I'm working on the BRZ. I wish I could get a different angle of the BRZ, or I would be showing you guys, but if you guys have not seen my BRZ, this is what my BRZ looks like from present time. I'm working some things up with the front camber to have a little bit better fitment in the front. Here's a picture on the screen right now of my BRZ. It also has the V3.5 kit, but it does not have the V3.5 on the rear. Me personally, I feel like the V3.5 kit in the rear is just way too much. From a viewer standpoint, I wish TJ went and did the whole work on the BRZ himself. I didn't understand why he took it to LTMW. I do have an idea why he went to LTMW. The dude's just freaking busy. I'll tell you guys that. You know, he's working on the RX-7, the 350Z, Calvin's car, everybody else's car. Like, I'm sure he's just like, dude, I don't have enough room for all these cars. Plus, I got so many projects coming in today. LTMW, take care of the car. I just want a cool reaction at the end of it. So now that I talked about all the things that I really like about TJ's build, the reaction of it, the people's reaction, it's, you know, I can't scroll down 3-4 times on my newsfeed without seeing a page sharing TJ Hunt's car, you know, which is amazing. Good for him. I'm actually really pumped for TJ and his success with the BRZ. But, you know, I wish I could have seen like him prepping everything and whatnot, but I totally understand that. Look, he has 3 other projects going on. He basically just have no time to do it. So I get that, I understand that. But that's something as a viewer that I still wish I could have been a part of in a way by viewing that and seeing the steps. But honestly, the fitment, I don't really like that. It's super meaty and it's just too much. Like, I know him and I were talking about what wheel size his rear tires were, and he said they were 305, 35, 18. That's crazy. I will never put 35s, you know, sidewall on my BRZ because it's just too big. If you go with 30, you can, when you air out, the car looks a lot lower. So if you go and watch his videos of him airing out, there's still this much, you know, gap between the ground. So that's something, me personally, in my opinion, with the rears, I think he should go with I think he should stay with the 305s, but go with a 30-18. I think he can get a lot tighter on the fitment with that, as well as having the car a lot lower. So now let's go to the front of the car. With the front fitment, he's running a 265 40-18 in the front. That's too much. I don't know why you would run that, just because your turning clearance, it will just rub everywhere. I have no rubbing at all, and that's honestly really nice. that I think that's something he will change up in the future. But you know, it's not my build. I know you guys are gonna say that, Jordan, it's not your build. Why are you doing this? Jordan, why are you making this video? You're just doing it for the views? Honestly, no. It's what you guys recommend. I have almost 20,000 followers, and when there's a whole list of people saying, Jordan, what do you think about TJ's build? What do you think about TJ's build? Like, what do you think about this? Like, there's something I don't like about TJ's build, but I love this, like, more than your car. I don't want to make any comparison between TJ's car and my car, just because I feel like comparison kills creativity. Guys, that's gonna be my reaction to TJ's build. That's what I believe of TJ's build. If you guys are going and thinking this is a hate video or anything along that line, like my last video, it's not like that. You know, I didn't do it for the views. I did it for, it's what the people wanted. People wanted to know what I thought of it. I feel like that's all fine to share my personal opinion on the car. But honestly, guys, big things are coming. I'm getting a new lens for the camera. It'll be here on Wednesday. I'm currently shooting this on Sunday. And also, I'm getting the BRZ fixed this coming week. I'm just having some fitment issues that I'm not happy about, so we're changing that. Then I get to go to a special show and meet up with some amazing, amazing people. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, do that fun things you guys already know. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Summer days burn me out, love just brings me down. Cold inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey.